because of it, parang mas lalo ako tuloy na nagkaka-purpose kung bakit it's always nice to be loving kasi ang daming hate, ang daming negativity. So parang you get to see all of it and it makes you have that purpose to keep doing good because people need that love. People need that kindness. And us being here, being walo, being complete as 8, it shows how strong we are together. Kasi ang dami na yung pinagdaanan na hindi namin sinasabi, hindi namin pinapakita. Maybe siguro minsan umaapaw na at nakikita, pero mas marami pang hindi namin pinapakita na mas masakit pa. But we are strong. And ang strong namin kasi nag-renew pa kami.